Hey, it's Paul with rackattack.com, and this is the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2022 and possibly beyond Honda CRV with a bare roof. This system comprises three components, starting with the Evo clamp foot pack set of 4 and the WingBar Evo Load Bar set of 2, offered in either silver or black, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit. And I'll go over these components in detail, starting with the fitting kit. The fitting kit will include a set of 4 of these rubberized metal door frame brackets and also 4 contoured rubber base pads. These each have numbers assigned to them, which corresponds to numbers that are shown in the instruction sheet, helping you to indicate exactly which foot they would attach to. So for example, we have one of the feet here. I'll remove the outer cover, and we've pre-installed the front left sticker. This sticker is included with the fitting kit. And then we would identify for that position on the vehicle which rubber base pad and rubberized metal door frame bracket is for this particular foot. So we've done that, and we'll just press that to the underside. Pressing around the perimeter will hold that rubber base pad to this pivoting plate that's on the bottom of the foot. Next, we can take the door frame bracket and just press. It'll snap into position there. And that's what's entailed with that type of installation there. Now, within this foot, you'll see we have these 2 tabs, and that will allow us to slide the bar onto the foot. Let's do that next. So this is the WingBar Evo Load Bar. Here we've cut this bar down so we can show the extruded aluminum box beam construction. It's very strong, very aerodynamic. This has a dedicated track for certain accessories. You access that track by flipping the end cap and sliding the approved hardware in between the 2 pieces of rubber, providing a very clean, integrated, and adjustable method of attachment for approved accessories for the load bar. Now, on the underside of the bar, we have another track here, and that allows us to attach the foot into the bar. So let's do that next. Here you'll notice we have a measurement device. This has numbers that will also correspond with the instruction sheet to help guide you in positioning the foot properly onto the bar. So we'll do that by pressing the silver tabs and sliding the foot into place, bringing it into position next to that tab. Next, we have the underside here. You can see we have an exposed area of track which we need to fill in. This rubber here is included with the load bars for that purpose, and that'll help to maintain the good aerodynamic performance of this load bar. Now we also have the end cap. We'll just pop that back into place. Now, when it comes time to installing this onto the vehicle and tightening it, the fastener is there, and we have a tool that's included with the foot pack. This tool is unique in that it has a handle that allows you to tighten this. Once it's tightened, the handle actually clicks, and that'll indicate that it's been fully tightened into place. Now we can go ahead and replace the outer cover. And on this cover, we have a plastic plug. Just give that a quarter turn, and that'll hold that cover into place. Now you do have an option to replace that plastic plug with an actual metal key lock cylinder. A set of 4 will lock all 4 of your towers. However, you can also purchase a set of 6 or 8 or even beyond in order to have not only your roof rack key match, but also all the certain carriers that you may have attached to the roof rack. That even extends beyond into other Thule same key system compatible accessories such as hitch racks and other gear like that. Okay, so those are all the key features of the Thule Evo clamp base roof rack system for the 2017 through 2022 and likely beyond Honda CRV with a bare roof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in our video description for all your buying options for this rack system. We also have another link there to help with a more in-depth video with the installation of this rack system if you need more help once you receive the system. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.